Okay, first 5 conjunctions plus 20 connectors to learn. Okay, so I'm going to say them each twice. So repeat after me after I say it each time. Okay, so let's go through the list real quick here. So our basic conjunctions, and these are short, easy little words. Che. Che means that. E. E means and. O or oppure. O or oppure means or. Ma or però. Ma or però means but. Perché. Perché is because or why. Okay, and then on to our logical connectors, which are basically conjunctions, but you know the difference now. Not too much of a difference here. So al contrario. Al contrario. On the contrary. Allora. Allora. So or then. And they use allora in the same way that we use so when we're trying to think of the next word. So, okay, so you'll hear it a lot when people are pausing to think of their next thought. Altrimenti. Altrimenti. Otherwise. Anche. Anche. Also or as well. Anche se. Anche se. Even if. Anzi. Anzi. Rather or on the contrary. Cioè. Cioè. That is to say. Comunque. Comunque. However. Così. Così means so, or like when you hear, sometimes you'll hear somebody say così così, like so. Like, how are you? Come stai? Così così. Dunque. Dunque. Thus or therefore. Infatti. Infatti. In fact or indeed. Inoltre. Inoltre. Besides. Insomma. Insomma. In summary. Invece di. Invece di. Or you can say invece, instead of. Neanche. Neanche. Neither or not even. Perciò. Perciò. So or therefore. Poi. Poi. Then. Quindi. Quindi is therefore. Se. Se. If. Siccome. Siccome is since. Okay, and there you have it. These are a good start to get you started on your connecting words so that you can start to build longer thoughts and longer sentences.